Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to pressure wash the surface of a concrete that we recently poured so you can obtain a sand finish look. This is on a back patio and driveway that we recently poured. Stay tuned and continue watching until the end because we're going to show you the entire process of how we obtain these kind of finish results. If you want to learn how to set forms and pour all kinds of concrete work with the proper finishing techniques, then you're in the best place here on YouTube, since that's all we do here at Eternal Rock Construction. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any future videos that we're going to be uploading pretty soon. What you see right here is a concrete back patio that we recently poured a few days ago, and we're pressure washing the surface so we can remove all of the number 03 top cast retarder. When we came in, this was the results after somebody had pressure washed it the first time, and we really weren't satisfied with the results. You can still see a lot of the white and of that top cast that wasn't uniformly taken out. So we're going to be utilizing a very powerful pressure washer machine. That is key in order to get professional results. I think the one that we have has about 5,000 psi, and the only thing we're going to be using is that pressure washer and a push broom. And this process is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. All you got to do is pressure wash everything in a consistent manner. Just want to make sure that you get everything equally and just take your time. And you don't want to pressure wash it too close to the concrete because then you can expose too much of the concrete or the area. So you just want to hold the pressure wash gun and the water about 1 foot away from the actual concrete. And so we're just making swipes from left to right about 3 to 4 feet at a time. And you can see right here that the white top cast material is starting to come off. And the reason why you need the push broom is that's going to help you remove that top cast a little easier. So ideally, it would be good to have a couple workers doing this process. One of them to use the push broom like you see right here, just loosening and scraping all of the concrete surface, and then the other worker, he's going to be with the pressure washer, just strategically moving it back and forth, left and right, just making sure that he gets everything equally. Since we're almost getting done with the first pressure washing, we're gonna move to the driveway portion in a little bit, and while we do that, we're gonna have another one of our employees to come over here and use a blower to dry the whole patio space, so that way we can come back a lot sooner and we can apply a second pressure wash throughout the whole thing. And we'll need to do this process like 2 to 3 different times, so that way we can remove as much of that top cast as possible. And in the end result, we want to get just the sand finish exposure. So we want it to look the best way possible. And here in a little bit, I'm gonna zoom in a little further so you can see right here. This is how the sand finish is starting to look. A lot of people have questions of how it ends up turning out or what the color looks like, and it really all depends on the supplier, the kind of concrete mix that they use, and the mixture, the sand color and all that. But typically we tell people that the sand finish is going to come out naturally a little bit more browner, and that's because the sand, that's just what the natural color of it is. If you want the sand finish to come out like more of a gray color or different color than the natural one, then at that point we would need to add color into the concrete mix, so that way we get a different result. This is the front part of the project. This is where the 2-car garage area is. We also poured this entire concrete, and you can see a lot of the white marks and the pressure washing where it wasn't really uniform. So we're gonna have to take our time and just make sure that we continue to pressure wash everything. And technically this is the second time that we're doing this, but like I said, we have that push broom that really helps to loosen up all of that top cast material, and we're just gonna pressure wash it out of the whole concrete area, so that way we can not see all of that white throughout the concrete. So that's pretty much the process. It's pretty straightforward. It's not difficult to do at all. It's just a matter of taking your time, being patient with this, and until you get that quality finish. We hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any future videos that we're going to be uploading. May God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.